Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automate reports with Documint in 2026. If you want to generate reports automatically using templates and live data, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new report template or open an existing one that you want to automate. Next, upload your report layout in PDF format if needed, then add dynamic fields for the information you want to update automatically. This can include names, dates, totals, charts, summaries, or any other report data. Now connect your data source. Depending on your workflow, you can manually enter data, upload a spreadsheet, use the Documint API, or connect services like Google Sheets, Make, or Zapier. Next, map each data field to the matching placeholder in your report template. Double-check every mapping to ensure the correct information appears in the final document. Once the setup is complete, configure your automation so reports are generated whenever new data is received or on a schedule, depending on the integration you're using. Now run a test generation to verify that the report is created successfully. Review the formatting, values, and overall layout, then make any necessary adjustments before enabling the workflow. Finally, save your configuration and activate the automation. Documint will now generate professional reports automatically whenever the selected trigger is activated, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate reports with Documint step by step, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.